These make money online apps are going to get you paid for your opinion. They are free and also fun, so don't worry because you are not going to get bored. In order to make them work properly, make sure to keep watching until the end of this video so you can get every step right. Just before I start with this tutorial, I want to remind all of you that if you haven't already, to subscribe to my channel Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, so you're going to get notified each time I upload brand new strategies just like these ones on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use them and therefore make the most money. If you love this type of content, just give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you want to ask me any question. Without any further ado, let's start with this video so I can show you everything. And I'm going to give you multiple apps, so stay tuned because you can get easily lost and confused. Let's proceed with the very first one, which is also my favorite one. That's why I'm going to give you this one at the beginning. This is called Google Opinion Rewards and it's over at service.google.com. As you can see, it is available from Google itself. You're going to see that your opinion is valuable. You're going to earn rewards for helping them improve their products and services. So you're going to help Google and are going to get you paid for that. As you can see over here, they offer an app also on App Store beside Google Play Store. You're going to see that you're going to complete some short surveys while you have your free time, waiting for a subway, standing in a line and so on. And you're going to get rewarded with Google Play or PayPal credit as well for each one that you're going to complete. And the topics that it includes are opinion polls, to hotel reviews, merchant satisfaction surveys, and so on. And I'm going to also notify you when a survey is waiting, which is pretty awesome. So let's get over to Google Play Store to see that they got more than 2 million of reviews with 4.5 stars, which is pretty awesome actually, and it shows that it's a legit one, of course, because it's even from Google, and also that people are loving it. You're going to see here some other features as well, and also you're going to notice that the questions are very simple, just like which of the social media sites do you use. So you can also go over to App Store to see that they got like more than 140,000 of ratings with 4.7 stars. So this was the first app I wanted to show you. You can download it for absolutely free on your smartphone and also all the other apps as well. Let's proceed to the second one, which is called Ipsos ISay or Ipsos ISay, and it's over at ipsosisay.com. You're going to notice that you're going to influence the future because you're going to give some opinions about different things, and Ipsos ISay is going to reward you for that. You're going to take a survey, earn some points, and you're going to redeem those points for some rewards. And these rewards include some gift cards. As you can see, there are a lot of brands over here. So in order to get started, you can click on the Join Now button. You're going to see then that you can register by putting an email address, a password, your first name, last name, your gender, month and year of birth, and also to agree the terms and conditions and also their privacy policies, and click here on sign up. And also you can check out the reviews from Trustpilot. You can just click on here and it's going to show you that they got like more than 40,000 of reviews with 4.2 stars. So most of the people are loving it. Also you can check out that they offer an app over at App Store. As you can see, it's called ISay Rewards Your Opinion. So it seemed like they only offer an app over at App Store. So if you are an Android user, you can even use it from the desktop version by going through the registration process, of course. So this was the second app for today. Let me proceed to the third one, which is over at attapoll.com. You're going to get paid for taking some surveys on your phone. You can even download it on Google Play Store and App Store to your phone. As you can see, these surveys are very easy and fun from companies all over the world. So you're not going to get bored, just like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, because you're going to get paid by completing some fun surveys. You're going to do it when you have your coffee break or whenever you have some spare time. You're going to see that the payment thresholds are very low. That means that you can cash out very fast, and you can choose PayPal, gift cards, and other payment methods. You can even donate them to charity. Also, they offer a referral program, so you can just refer new people over here and you're going to get paid in passive income with their referral bonus. So you can check out what people are saying about this platform and also some other questions down here, but you can also download it on Google Play Store and App Store, and you're going to notice their reviews over there. So over at Google Play Store, they got like more than 93,000 of reviews with 4.3 stars, and also At App Store, they got like more than 7,000 of ratings with 4.5 stars, which is pretty awesome actually. So you can read some other features as well over here. So this was the other app for today. I hope that you are enjoying this video till now. If you do, just give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to Aidenemia's World, so you're going to see more videos just like these ones on how to make money online. With that said, let me proceed to the next two apps that are remaining, which the first one is called YouGo. I'm over at Google Play Store. They got like 38,000 of reviews with 4.3 stars. Let's check out some of the features that they offer. You're going to see these screenshots over here. So you're going to have some daily questions as well as some surveys that you can complete. You're going to complete your profile as well. You're going to earn points by taking those surveys and redeem those points for rewards. You're going to see this person here has made like $100 in cash and is getting paid through bank transfer. So you're going to see that you can share your opinions about different things and you're not going to get bored from them. Also, they do offer an app over at App Store. As you can notice, they got like 3,000 of ratings with 4.7 stars, which is pretty good for some apps like this one. So this was the fourth app for today. I'm going to proceed to the last and also the fifth app, which is called Streetbees. I'm over at Google Play Store. You're going to see that they got 94,000 of reviews with 4.3 stars. So let's see some of the features that Streetbees offers. You're going to get paid to chat, so you can read even some examples over here. They are going to just ask you where you are eating, also to take some pictures of your food or where you are shopping, to some clothes and so on. You're going to share your thoughts, take pictures, and you're going to earn cash for that. So you can earn cash quickly. They offer no minimum payout. You can cash out immediately, and your opinion is going to change brands. So you're going to notice that you're going to install the app for absolutely free, create your account, then you're going to look the stories that are available for you, because the surveys are called stories over here, and then you're going to complete those stories that take like between 2 to 5 minutes, and you're going to give your opinions, and even with photos or even video responses, and depending on the story you could get paid up to £5 or even be entered into some prize draw, and you're going to get paid through your PayPal account, which is pretty awesome actually. And they do offer an app on App Store, so if you are an iOS user you can download it from App Store. They got like 1.1 thousands of ratings and 4.4 stars, which is pretty good actually. With that said, guys, this is the last app for you today. I hope that you like this video, and just let me know which one of these apps is your favorite one. You can even combine all of them in order to make the most money. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your opinion about this video, and don't forget to subscribe to Aidenemia's World to support me, and with notifications on so you can get notified when I upload brand new strategies just like these ones. Thank you for watching.